Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below. As you can see, just finished this. Off goes the heat. We're going to make a lovely eggplant and potato curry. Really simple, not many ingredients at all. Doesn't take that long. Healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's take a look at this really simple curry we're going to make. So, tomatoes, fresh, chopped. Try and use a nice juicy one. Onions, potatoes, eggplant. Roughly about the same. Probably, as you can see, a bit more of the eggplant, but about the same. And I've kind of cut them, you know, around the same sort of size. Garlic ginger paste. There's like 2 or 3 teaspoons of a garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. Today I'm using a curry powder. This is a curry powder that I made myself, homemade. I'll stick the link at the end. Absolutely delicious. Some whole seeds. What we're going to be using today is black mustard seeds and cumin seeds. There's about a teaspoon of each there, and some fresh coriander or cilantro. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil, and of course we're going to add some salt. Let's go and do it. So you're going to need a pan or a wok or something like that. In there I've got some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil today, and we're going to drop in those whole seeds or our whole garam masala. Like I said today, I'm just using cumin and black mustard seeds, but you could of course be using bay leaf, black cardamom, green cardamom, fennel seeds, cinnamon stick. You know, the combinations are pretty much endless, but these two are what I want today, and we just want to get a little bit of heat through them. As you can see, they're going to start to pop and crackle, and they're going to infuse that oil. Next step is we're going to add our potatoes, because our potatoes are raw, so I want to get them in first and give them a little cook for just about 4 minutes. So there they go. Let's give these like, 3 or 4 minutes. We want a kind of fairly lively heat. This is not going to take that long at all. So still very hard, but we're just giving them like a little head start. Next up, we're going to add onions. In they go. And we're going to add our garlic ginger paste. Now if you don't have garlic ginger paste, first of all, it's really easy to make, or most stores buy it. Or if you wanted, just use chopped garlic and ginger. The paste just kind of makes it a little bit nicer, I think. And it's very convenient. We use loads of it here. Okay, so staying on this heat, let's just go for another couple of minutes. Keep stirring it now. Really easy. We're now going to put in our eggplant. And you can see the potatoes and eggplant are sort of cut roughly the same size. While I'm here, let me get a little bit of salt in there. Oh, and by the way, I keep getting asked about this salt. Why is it pink? It's a pink Himalayan salt that I've been using lately. Just giving it a go. I think it's pretty good. But yeah, that's the reason it's not white. Okay, about 4 minutes now. Keep this moving, frying it around. Then we're ready for the next step. Okay, 3 to 4 minutes there. We've been keeping this moving. So the eggplants are still not cooked, still got a nice body to them, but again, very much on their way. We're now going to add in those tomatoes. And like I say, try and use a nice juicy tomato. And it's now where I would normally, if you're a regular to the channel, be adding fresh chili, but I'm not actually adding any fresh chili today. What I am going to add now is that curry powder. Like I say, this is a nice homemade one, which I'll stick the link up for you at the end. Normally, as you know, I would be using individual spices of what I usually call the big four, which is cumin, coriander, turmeric and chili. So this is a really lovely blend that I've made. Really happy with it. Wonderful. Now we're going to add just a little bit of water, like a cup of water to this. And the combination of the water and the tomatoes should result in a really nice gravy for us. So really simply, we're going to turn the heat down now, not to a simmer, above a simmer, just so it's kind of rolling a little bit. And we're going to let this go for about 6 minutes now. Give it a stir every now and then. If it dries out, just top it up with a little splash of water. See you then. Okay, look at that, beautiful. A lovely masala or gravy there. Check that for salt, you might want to add a bit more. I'm going to finish this off now with some fresh cilantro or coriander. If you wanted, a little bit of garam masala powder could be great in there. But we've got a really nice, easy eggplant, brinjal, aubergine, or whatever you call it, and potato curry. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.